Hi, welcome to an NX12 video tutorial. I want to do that hexagon grill now in Siemens NX, which went very well, very sort of easy to do. And please note, those hexagons have all the same size, but those ribs between those hexagons are not equally sized, because you cannot cover a sphere with equally sized hexagons. But let's have fun with Siemens NX. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the YZ plane, this one. Okay, I need a circle. Diameter could be 600. And okay, now I need some lines to trim. Okay, make those two for construction only. Trim. Close, arrange those 2 points horizontal and give it a dimension, and that might be, let's say, 60 degrees or 80 degrees, one way or the other. Finish that sketch, and now let's make a revolve. Of course, it should be a sheet with that sketch around. Let's take a look at this axis and go for minus 40 and 40 and confirm. Hide that sketch. And I will need a copy of the sun, so I will extract it. Extract geometry. That geometry, hide the original, and OK. Now I need a plane which is tangent to that surface, and the reference would be this plane. OK. Let's go for a sketch, maybe hide that extracted surface for the moment. Go to that plane, confirm. I need a hexagon, maybe like that. Close, arrange that line and that axis perpendicular, and give it a dimension of maybe 10. Close, let's zoom in. Okay. Finish that sketch and hide that plane for the moment. Bring back our extracted surface. Now I want to project this hexagon onto that surface, so go for Menu, Insert, Derived Curve, and I want to project, yes, I want to project that sketch onto this object along face normal, and OK. Now let's hide the sketch and trim that surface. Go for a trim sheet. I want to remove that, and that's the target, and this is the boundary, and it's discard, so it should work nice. Now I want to pattern this one. Let's bring back our original surface just to see. Yeah, that's okay. Hide. I want to pattern it. So go for Home, More, Pattern Geometry. I want to pattern this geometry around the x-axis. Turn it around. I want to go for 6 and 3 degrees distance. but now I can clock those instances, and that's a great feature. User defined, go for an angle around the y-axis and make it 1.75 degrees. Okay, then clock this one again, user defined, again an angle around this axis, again 1.75. okay, and the last one, clock user defined, go for an angle, select the axis, again 1.75 degrees, and confirm. That's really nice. Now let's thicken those surfaces. So go to thicken, I want to go for 1 and -1 millimeter. First one apply, second one apply, third one apply, fourth one apply, fifth one and sixth one. Okay. Now let's hide those sheet bodies. Okay. And let's do a pattern. So go for home, more geometry pattern. Yep. And I want to pattern those bodies. 6. Vector should be the y-axis. 9 instances with 3.5 pitch angle. And okay. Then I want to mirror that. So go for more, mirror geometry. Select the pattern. And those should be mirrored as well. The plane would be, of course, the ZY plane. And apply. And now mirror the pattern and the mirror geometry. This one, that one, this one, that one, this one, but not this one. And all those in the middle. And the plane would be, in this case, the ZX plane. And okay. Great. That's nice. Okay, now I need another copy of my revolve, so we'll go for an extract geometry, but fix it at the current timestamp and confirm. Okay, now I need a sketch on that plane. So show it and go for a sketch right on this plane. Okay, that would be a rectangle, a centered one. Okay, maybe like that. Add some dimensions. This could be, let's see, 160, and that distance might be 300, or yeah, I will have to change it afterwards anyway. Okay, finish that sketch, and let's project that sketch onto that surface. So go for menu, insert, where's my project derived curve, project that sketch onto the surface and OK. So that projected curve looks like this at the moment. Yeah. Now let's trim. So go for surface, trim sheet. I want to trim this sheet with that projected curve and confirm. Let's hide that one. And hide the sketch. And let's see where this sheet is right now. So I might change, let's see, that value a little bit. Yeah, maybe let's change that sketch from 300 to 320 and see how this looks. So that trim sheet right now, let's take a closer look. So that's right on that center, that's no good. So let's change it to, let's say 290. And take another look. That's, I think, a little bit better. Now I want to thicken that trim sheet, so this should be thickened 0.5 and minus 0.5. This one, and OK. Now let's see if we go for a subtract. I want to subtract from that thickened one the other ones. So let's go for a solid body and single body. That's kind of odd. Can I go for a selection here, or maybe, just maybe, first arrange it like that and then go for the subtract this one, and I want to remove, let's select it like this. Let's see, that's okay. So I have to add this one, and those, okay, and on the other side let's try to select them all together like that. Takes a while, so these are still not selected. Let's try once more like this. I don't want to select too many, so let's take a closer look. So that's okay, and should I maybe deselect this one so it's more symmetric? Yeah, and okay. Now maybe let's hide all bodies and bring back just the one. That would be this one, and okay. yeah, hide them once more. And I want to extend that sheet. So go for surface, extend sheet, make it a new one, new sheet, and go for, let's say, 4 mm on all 4 edges. Apply, and then hide this one and extend that one, the original one, by 1 mm to the inside, because after all it's a parallel program and that might lead to problems if I don't do it. So is this, yeah. Now let's hide that projected curve and thicken that. So go for thicken, make it maybe 2 up and 3 down, -3 of course, like that, and okay. Hide the sheet, make some fillets, go for edge blend, go for 10 on the inside, here, there, up here and down there. Apply, go for 15 on the outside, here, no, can't select it really. This one, and that one, and this one. Okay, looks okay. Maybe bring back that solid just to take a look. Looks pretty good. Now let's bring back that sheet, and that was the small one, this one. Is the selection filter? No, I need just that small sheet, or is it still here? So if I hide that body, hide that body, and I need a sheet, and that would be that extended sheet, this one. So show it. Now extend it again, make it a new one, make it, let's say, 20, here, here, over here and there, and confirm. Hide that one and make it 1 mm to the inside. Extend, go for original one, make it 1 mm, one. The previous is wrong, that's more like it. Confirm, and now thicken this one with 1 mm up and 1 mm down. Thicken that surface, 1 and -1. Confirm. Let's add edge blends, 15 mm on the inside. Here, there if possible, yes. Here and over there. Apply, and 20 mm up here on this edge. No, that's wrong. on this edge, and that one, and this one, and okay. Now let's bring back, hide the sheets at first and bring back those bodies. That would be this body right here, that one, and of course this one. Okay, close. Let's take a look. Looks pretty good. Let's go for a unite. I want to unite this one with that one and this one, and okay, I'm almost done. I want to add some chamfers, so go for 0.5 on this edge, apply, that edge, apply, and maybe on this one as well. Okay, and I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.